Burren Nature Sanctuary is situated on a 50-acre organic farm. A looped nature trail meanders through a mosaic of habitats, including ash and hazel woodland, shattered limestone pavement, a wildflower meadow, and a disappearing lake. The aim is to engage visitors with the natural and cultural heritage of the Burren region. A variety of interpretation materials, guided walks, storytelling, and getting hands-on with nature create the visitor experience. After collecting a map or audio guide, the tour begins at the Botany Bubble. Here, visitors are introduced to the Burren geology and flora and learn a little about the unique combination of alpine, Arctic, Mediterranean and Irish wildflowers that grow in this rocky landscape. This stone sculpture is filled with wild plants gathered from around the farm. Accompanying panels demonstrate some traditional medicinal uses of wildflowers and hedgerow plants in this living landscape. Following the grassy track toward the boreen, a series of colourful panels illustrate the Burren flora, fauna and karst. These panels can also be viewed inside the visitor centre. Turlocks, or disappearing lakes, are interesting features of limestone regions. This rare tidal turlock empties and fills twice daily in time with the tide. An information diagram represents the underground activity as limestone channels fill and empty with water. Another way to explore the landscape is through an audio guide. At various points along the nature trail, the audio guide plays a snippet of information relating to the landscape feature. For younger visitors, the Bird Box treasure hunt is a fun way to explore and learn about the landscape and its traditions. Each of the 20 bird boxes dotted around the nature trail hold a clue. The answers each tell a little about the Burren. Storytelling brings the landscape to life, creates a sense of wonder and memorable experiences. Burren Nature Sanctuary sits in the townland of Clunacy, the Irish for Meadow of the Fairies. Colourful fairy doors in the hazel woodland introduce a little magic. Traditional mountain goats are an important part of the Burren heritage. Goats are suited to the rocky landscape, and a special relationship between goats grazing on the scrub allows Burren flora to bloom in spring and summer. Visitors can meet and feed the farm pets, while a woodland walk with our micro-pig is a joy for visitors of all ages. Visit the Burren Nature Sanctuary. Pick up a map, follow the interpretive panels, listen to the audio tour, join a guided walk, meet the animals, or simply go for a wander with nature as your guide.